Hey, what's up you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name still remains Oboypapi. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to monetize your YouTube channel. If you are new to YouTube and looking how to create your own YouTube channel, then check on the video description. There is a link that will lead you or take you to a video I made on how to create a YouTube channel using your smartphone. If today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to receive more content like this, and don't forget to smash on the bell so you can receive notification whenever I drop a new video. I also appreciate if you hit on the like button, and don't forget to drop your comment because it matters to me a lot. I'll be right back. Okay, so welcome back once again guys. Before launching a YouTube channel for the purpose of making money, you need to decide what kind of videos you'll be making before you think about getting or generating ad revenue right from YouTube. Here we will dive into the step-by-step process you need to follow to set up or get your YouTube account monetized. There are two steps you need to get your channel monetized, and one is to set up an AdSense account, and the second is to become a YouTube partner. Now let's start with the number one, which is setting up an AdSense account. To begin earning money on YouTube, you need to start with an AdSense account. An AdSense account is the platform in which you are going to receive your payment from YouTube. So this is a critical step. Take note, you can monetize more than one YouTube channel with the same AdSense account. So if you have a multiple or your brand have multiple YouTube accounts, then you're looking out to set up a monetization feature on each one. You need one AdSense account to make all this possible. To set up an AdSense account, simply follow me. Go to www.google.com/adsense/start. Check the video description. You'll find the link below. Click on it. That will help you to set up your AdSense account. Okay, so once you click on the link, okay, it's going to take you to this website. This is the AdSense website. So you go ahead and click on Get Started, okay. So you click on Get Started, which is going to take you to the forms where you can sign up. Okay, so the first one is requesting for your website. Okay, so Google AdSense is not just for only YouTube. You can also use it for your website. If you want to monetize your website, you can use the Google AdSense for that too. So now we need to provide our YouTube, since we are using it for YouTube. So you go to your YouTube account. Okay, you go to your YouTube account and copy your YouTube link. Okay, so I'll copy my YouTube link and go and paste it over there. So the link is now copied. Now you come here and paste your link over here. Okay, so once you're done, you go ahead and enter your email. Okay, so I'm going to enter my email. Make sure your email account is active and it's working, because they are going to send you a link for you to confirm or activate your account. Okay, so once you're done, you click on the second one. It says get helpful AdSense info at the email. I'll say no. Okay, but if you like yes, I mean, you can click on yes, which they are going to send you a lot of mail on how to go about your account. So now you go ahead and click on save and continue. Okay, so it says good news, we can set up you faster on YouTube, so please continue there. Okay, so now if we need to continue in YouTube, okay, that is where it's going to take you to link your account or your AdSense account to your channel directly. Okay, so if you click on continue in YouTube, it's going to take you to the page. Well, I already have an AdSense account, so well, I said it. So now as you can see here, it took me to the YouTube hub. You cannot create multiple accounts, okay, with AdSense. I already have a YouTube Google AdSense account, so I'm not allowed to create another one again. Okay, since you already know that you can use Google AdSense for multiple multiple brand channels. Okay, so now if you go ahead, this is how it looks like as you see on the screen. That is after you're done creating your AdSense account. This is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so that is how you can. Now let's move to the next step. Okay, once you have done that, please proceed to the next step, which is becoming a YouTube partner. Along with an AdSense account, you need to be accepted into the YouTube partner program. There are a few requirements for joining YouTube partner program, which includes you must live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Second, you must have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. 4. You must comply with all YouTube monetization policies. If you meet all those requirements, you are eligible to sign up for the YouTube Partner Program. Here's how to sign up. First, you need to sign in into your YouTube account. After you're done with the sign in, click YouTube Studio, that is in the top right corner. That is by clicking on your profile picture. Now go ahead and click on Monetization, which is the $sign. If you don't currently meet the requirement, you can select notify me when I'm eligible, and you'll receive an email once you have surpassed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you meet the requirement, click Start on the Review Partner Program Terms card. Once you sign the term, you will see a green done sign onto the card. Once you have completed these steps, you'll be placed in a queue to be reviewed. Now you are going to receive an email once you have been accepted into the YouTube monetization program. You can now proceed to the next step, that is by turning on your monetization for all your old videos and start earning money from that. So this is how you can get your YouTube channel monetized. So simple and easy to do. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you on my next video. Peace.
I've been feeling lonely, I've been feeling, staring at the pictures on the walls. Every time I see you with some other